everybody. Me and Lucas are gonna get a haircut to prepare for summer because it's gonna be hot.
It's so much fun. I just hope I can get a good night's sleep.
Like this. Look. Like that? Yes? How is it? Say it again.
Mother, Mommy.
Okay, good.
Please.
Because he's happy.
Mr. Cuddles. Hi. Sorry, I was just trying to stop Sparky snoring. So wouldn't we get to sleep without it?
Mars, pwede mo
Snoring
please?
helps me sleep too.
And me.
And me.
You're so good. You're the best boy in the world. Okay? 8, 9. Oh, 10. You said how? That's how that. Okay, you don't move. I'm holding a scissor. Don't move. Don't move.
Maybe she is good
Not
at catching
yet.
and
Not
only messed up that
yet.
one time.
Not yet. Look in the mirror.
Control ball again. Maybe I'll pick you for my team.
It's Mike.
Yeah. Look down. Look down. You're almost done. You're so good.
Chloe, your team's going to be hard to beat this year.
Look down.
Crown that big.
I'm gonna put powder.
Here, catch.
Yeah. We're good? Huh?
Oh, done. Oh! Your hair's super awesome. It's super awesome. Did you just yell at me?
Bye.
Bye. With my yelling baby. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.